Okay, so if we look at this problem right here, they're asking us to solve for x in terms of k. So basically just trying to simplify this and get rid of the logs. So with the properties of logs here, I know that when I'm subtracting two logs, it's the same as dividing. So I can actually rewrite this as log base 4 of x divided by x plus 10 is equal to log base 4 of k. And so I can see that these are two logs that have the same base and they're equal to each other. So we can just ignore the logs and we can say here that that x plus 10, sorry, x over x plus 10, try that again, x over x plus 10 has to be equal to k. And so, so we can use this as it is to solve that. So they want us to figure out what x is equal to. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to put that over 1, and then I can do a cross product. And so I can say this times this, x, is equal to this times this, which is equal to this is k times x plus 10. And so we get x is equal to kx plus 10k. My screen's kind of freaking out there, so there we go. And clean this up. So now if I go and subtract k here, I would have x minus kx is equal to 10k. And then if I factor out an x here, I would get x times 1 minus k is equal to 10k. And so I get x is equal to 10k over 1 minus k. So there's my answer for x. And then they ask us to find x if k is equal to 1/6. And so if we do that and say that k is equal to 1/6, then we just simply plug that back in. So rather than plug it into here, I'm actually going to come back up here and solve that. So if k is 1/6, I'm going to use this equation up here. So I had x, oops, I had x over x plus 10. Again, x over x plus 10 is equal to k. And so now they're just asking me to solve this here. And so if I replace k with 1/6, I get x over x plus 10 is equal to 1/6. And so now I can just use a cross product again. So I've got 6x is equal to x plus 10. And so if I subtract x from both sides, I get 5x is equal to 10. And then I divide by 5, I get x is equal to 2. And so I can check that. I can come back up here and see if that works. So I had 2 divided by 2 plus 10, that give me 2 over 12, which would be 1/6. So that, I think that works out. So that would be the answer that I would get there. So x is equal to 10k over 1 minus k. And then if they ask you to find x when k is 1/6, then x would be 2. I'm sorry, x would be 2, yes. Okay, I hope that helps.